Welcome to Fun English. Hello and welcome to Fun English. أهلا وسهلا بحضراتكم في قناة Fun English. Today's lesson is in the title of Crime Mystery. درس اليوم بعنوان Crime Mystery. This lesson is for teachers as well as students. درس اليوم هيفيد معلمي اللغة الإنجليزية زي ما هيفيد الطلاب. It helps teachers to engage students and motivate them. درس اليوم بيساعد المعلمين على تفاعل الطلاب وتحميسهم. The main purpose of this activity is enhancing students' speaking skill. الهدف الرئيسي لدرس اليوم هو تحسين مهارة التحدث لدى متعلمي اللغة الإنجليزية. First, I told my students that a crime happened and half of them has witnessed the crime while the other half are policemen who has to investigate the crime to know exactly who is the criminal. قلت لطلابي إن في جريمة حصلت وقلت لهم إن مجموعة منهم بالفعل شهدوا الكرايم والمجموعة التانية هم عبارة عن policemen واللي المفروض إنهم هيحققوا علشان يتوصلوا للجاني الحقيقي. First, I divided my students in two groups. Every group was in a different class. قسمت الطلاب لمجموعتين. كل مجموعة كانت في قاعة منفصلة. The first group was watching a video for the crime, while the other group, who are the policemen, were preparing the questions to help them in their investigation. After that, they started the investigation and it was very exciting activity. المجموعة الأولى كانت بتشاهد فيديو للكرايم في حين إن في نفس الوقت المجموعة التانية كانوا بيجهزوا الأسئلة اللي هيسألوها للمجموعة التانية أثناء التحقيق. بعدها بدأوا التحقيق وكان نشاط أكثر من رائع. Now let's watch a video for the activity. Now first we divided the class into two groups. The first group witnessed a crime and the second group were policemen preparing some questions, right? After that we had investigation between policemen and people who witnessed the crime. Okay, now policemen are discussing the result of investigation and they need to determine who committed the crime, right? Okay. Now what's her name? Desna. Okay, can you tell me? Simon. Yeah. Got it. That should do the job. I don't know, there's so many ways to do it. Which one's next? Hello? Have you prepared the questions? Okay, so please at least 12 questions about everything about the crime, okay?
wait.
I'm not saying a word until my lawyer gets here.
This is ridiculous. I only came here for the wedding and I don't want to miss it.
I've been with my husband John all day. I couldn't possibly have done it.
I only came here to relax. All this stress is not good for me.
I was in the garden, just doing my job. One victim and one murder. It's down to you to solve the crime. What a beautiful woman. Lisa.
Now, after we watched what happened in the class, let's watch the video itself. After watching the video, please answer the questions and send them. Thank you.
Simon.
Why?
He works in the farm.
Yeah,
And lovely after accident.
yeah.
And he
He was bearing something.
bring something.
He was bearing something. So,
And my opinion
Yeah.
is a killer.
so you think that Simon is the killer? Did you see the way that Simon looked at the policeman? He was looking right and left. He never make eye contact. He never looks him at his eye. So how many of you think that Simon committed the crime? If you think that Simon committed the crime, raise your hand. Great. Great number. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's see the second policeman. Yeah. Okay.
I think this
Why?
she's make the crime because she with him before the crime happens.
Okay.
3 hours, and obviously it was understanding between them. Maybe she was his girlfriend or anything, and she the one was with him when the accident happens. Maybe she did it.
Maybe should. Okay. So how many of you think that Desna committed it? Committed the crime? How many of you think? Thank you very much. Okay. Third policeman. Yeah.
When I talking to the suspicion people,
Yeah. So you talked to the witness.
yeah, witness,
Yeah.
They lie of me. Lie
Oh.
of me, okay?
How?
They tell me don't see him, okay? And one of them tell me the another one was his friend.
Okay.
And his friend, he tells me he is not his friend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I guess they are both of you. Okay.
Committed it.
Yeah, committed it, yeah.
I saw them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Great. Yeah.
They are both.
Uh-huh. Criminals, please stand up. Okay. That's great. Okay. Many thanks. Okay. Who's next? We still have 2 policemen. We need your opinions. Okay, the same. You are a policeman, so you have to have your own opinion.
In my opinion,
Yeah?
the criminal
Yeah.
is Simon.
Simon, why? Why do you think he is the criminal?
Because he is burning something.
Okay, so do you think this is the dead man?
Yes.
He was burning him?
Yes.
Maybe. Thank you very much. Yes. She's a policeman, but she has no opinion. She did it. Simon, did you see Lorna? You didn't see Lorna?
No one.
Okay.
No one tell me of Lorna.
Lorna. Let's look here.
Which one's next?
What is move?
We want to see.
This is how the crime happened. What's first? He heard
Sound.
something. Then he started to go. Yes. What happened? Someone
Push him.
pushed him. Someone pushed him. Then who is she? She's Lorna. She's running from the same place.
Let's get out of it, we're late. Never mind the mud on your shoes. Calm down.
So how many of you think that Lorna did it? If you think that Lorna did it, please raise your
The
hand.
evidence didn't enough.
The evidence is not enough.
Not enough.
So what's this evidence? What's your evidence on that Desna made it?
She was
Okay.
with Tom.
How did you know?
They told me. The witness told me.
Hello? Did you see her with Tom? Did you see her with Tom?
We need to say.
English.
We need to show the reaction of Simon.
Yeah, well, let's see.
Calm down.
Who's she?
Just have to get it.
Five suspects. One victim and one murderer. It's down to you to solve the crime.
What a beautiful morning. Peaceful.
Hello? He's lost me a million. Now I'm about to lose my temper. Relax.
That should do the job.
I don't know, there's so many ways to do it.
Which one's next?
house is that? Hello?
Gracious me, John. Let's get out of here, we're late. Never mind the mud on your shoes.
Now calm down. Calm down. Pull yourself together.
That's got it.
I'm not saying a word until my lawyer gets here.
This is ridiculous. I only came here for the wedding and I don't want to miss it.
I've been with my husband John all day. I couldn't possibly have done it.
I only came here to relax. All this stress is not good for me.
I was in the garden, just doing my job.
So, who did commit the murder? Your job is to work it out with the help of some vital evidence. And remember, you must have the victim's best interests at heart.
Now, please answer the following questions. Number 1. Who is the victim? What was he wearing? What was he doing? Who are the suspects? What time did the crime happen? And what was Lorna doing at that time? What was Simon doing at that time? What was Jack doing at the time? What was Jackie doing at the time? What was Disney doing at the time? And what time did the crime happen? Which one do you suspect? And why?